Hello and welcome. Today, we will be discussing 8 actionable steps you can take daily to transform your life based on the principles of the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is a timeless classic that has helped millions of people around the world achieve financial success and happiness. Step 1. Define your goals. Start by defining your goals, both short-term and long-term. Write them down and make them specific, measurable, and achievable. Make sure they align with your values and passions. Writing down your goals will make them more tangible and increase your motivation to achieve them. Step 2. Cultivate a positive mental attitude. One of the key principles of the book is the power of positive thinking. Cultivate a positive mental attitude by focusing on the good in every situation and avoiding negative thoughts and beliefs. By maintaining a positive mental attitude, you will attract positive energy and opportunities into your life. Step 3. Develop a strong work ethic. Success requires consistent effort and hard work. Develop a strong work ethic by setting aside time each day to work towards your goals, and be persistent and disciplined in your efforts. By developing a strong work ethic, you will increase your chances of success and reach your goals faster. Step 4. Master your thoughts. Master your thoughts by focusing on your goals and maintaining a positive mental attitude, and avoid negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. By mastering your thoughts, you will be able to control your emotions and thoughts, and attract positive energy and opportunities into your life. Step 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you, and avoid negative influences and toxic people. By surrounding yourself with positive influences, you will increase your chances of success and achieve your goals faster. Step 6. Invest in personal development. Invest in personal development by reading books, attending workshops, and developing new skills. By investing in personal development, you will increase your knowledge and skills, and become a better version of yourself. Step 7. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and have confidence in your ability to achieve your goals. By believing in yourself, you will increase your chances of success and overcome any obstacles that come your way. Step 8. Take action. The final step is to take action towards your goals. Turn your ideas and plans into action, and be persistent and disciplined in your efforts. By taking action, you will turn your dreams into reality and achieve the success and happiness you desire. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. By following these 8 steps, you can achieve your goals and transform your life based on the principles outlined in Think and Grow Rich. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, success is not something that happens overnight, it requires consistent effort and hard work. But by following these actionable steps, you can increase your chances of success and achieve the life you desire. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't hesitate to leave a comment with your thoughts and opinions. And, as always, stay tuned for more videos like this in the future.